Pro Group Management. Workers' comp that works for you.
This is 7 at 7 from the Las Vegas Review-Journal.
Good morning and happy first day of spring. Thanks for joining us on 7 at 7. I'm Cynthia Puga. In top story, sponsored by Nevada Hand Silver Sky Assisted Living Community. Learn more at nevadahand.org. A body was found Monday morning at the Painted Desert Golf Club. Metro's homicide section did not respond, suggesting that the death didn't immediately appear to be suspicious. We'll keep you updated as further information will be released later on by the coroner's office. State and national Republican organizations filed a lawsuit against Nevada Secretary of State Cisco Aguilar and other election officials on Monday. The Republican National Committee and the Nevada Republican Party allege in the complaint that Aguilar and several county clerks and registrars failed to maintain accurate voter rolls and is not complying with the National Voter Registration Act. Aguilar's office referred the RJ to its response letter when reaching out for comment. For more details on the lawsuit and to read the response letter, you can visit lvrj.com. In weather, sponsored by Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. And a fine for excessive water use was implemented over a year ago. Review-Journal's Arlette Youssef shares what program is in the works to bring relief to low-income residents.
$32 million in revenue for the Las Vegas Valley Water District in its first year of charging its biggest water users punitive fees. Data obtained by the Review-Journal shows in the 2023 to 2024 fiscal year, the district's budget totaled about $721 million. This means that the fees entirely earmarked for conservation programs provided a significant boost to the agency.
The water district is asking people to work on leaks on their property. They're trying to get a leak reimbursement program, which will hopefully take the burden off of low-income residents who are unable to fix their leaks while also paying these high excessive use fees.
Data shows the number of customers fined by the district has not declined every month as intended. The lowest number of customers hit with a fee came in October at roughly 16,000 households. But in every month since then, more than 20,000 customers have been charged. For Las Vegas Review-Journal, I'm Arlette Youssef.
Now let's take a look at your forecast. Nice and sunny day to welcome the first day of spring with a high of 73 degrees and an overnight low of 52 degrees. Temperatures will begin to increase tomorrow, going into those high 70 degrees and going into the 80s Thursday and Friday. On Friday, we are expecting a bit of strong winds going into Saturday. Those temperatures begin to decrease this weekend as we go back into the 60s next week. Moving on to business, sponsored by the NAB show where content comes to life. New images of the high-rise Symphony Park project Cello Tower have been revealed. Take a look at this. Images show the interiors of the 32-story high-rise that is being developed in the center of Las Vegas. In total, the Cello Tower will have 240 residences with 8 penthouses that include a floor dedicated to wellness and spa activities, a golf simulator, conference rooms, an outdoor cigar lounge, and a resort-style pool with views of the Las Vegas skyline. Tropicana will be honoring more than 700 of their employees leading up to the closure. Its employees' names will be flashed on the resort's marquee over the next 2 weeks as a tribute leading up to the April 2nd closure of the historic property. Names will be flashed around the clock beginning on Tuesday. In other business news, Margaritaville is closing after more than 20 years on the Las Vegas Strip. The closure date was confirmed for April 15th by an employee who was not authorized to speak publicly. Its closure continues the food and drink changes occurring at the Flamingo, part of Caesars Entertainment portfolio.
Sports brought to you by Station Casinos, STN Sports. Download the app today. The Golden Knights have won 3 of their last 4, and up next at home, they face the Lightning. Jack Eichel spoke about what it's been like to get some of the players back healthy, especially as the playoffs near.
Trades have had a good impact on the group, and like you said, obviously getting a little healthier here. We got some guys back now, and I think you see the depth of the group. Hopefully be one of the strong suits here this week, and as we move forward the rest of the season, I think that's something that our team prides ourselves on.
In health, sponsored by Boulder City Hospital, we're here for you when you need us. Good mental health is about investing in key healthy habits, dealing with the woes of life that can lead to a pessimistic mindset. Here are 4 strategies for keeping a negative thinking at bay. It's important to acknowledge what you're experiencing, review your awareness of how your pessimism is affecting your physical self, make sure to give yourself time to process your feelings, and look at proactive strategies to counteract the negative thinking.
Sports betting brought to you by the Las Vegas Paiute Tribal Smoke and Cigar Shop. There are 5 lower seeds favored over higher seeds in the NCAA tournament. Number 11, New Mexico, is a 2-point favorite over number 6, Clemson, at the Westgate Superbook. Number 10, Drake, is favored by 1.5 over number 7, Washington State. Number 10, UNR, is favored by 1 over number 7, Dayton. Number 9, Texas Christian, is a 3-point favorite over number 8, Utah State. And number 9, Michigan State, is favored by 1 over number 8, Mississippi State.
In lifestyle news brought to you by Casablanca Hotel and Resort, the Oakland Athletics gave Las Vegas Valley youth baseball and softball players 200,000 reasons to smile. Now, why do we say that? The A's donated $200,000 to teams in various little league and softball leagues in the state. The oversized check was presented to youth players as part of a ceremony before Big League Weekend kicked off at Las Vegas Ballpark on March 8th. The donation will go towards funding various needs, including field maintenance and team equipment. The A's president, Dave Cavall, says, "We are eager to continue engaging with the Nevada community and expand our commitment to supporting youth baseball and softball education and civic engagement." In entertainment, sponsored by Arizona Charlie's, has live entertainment every weekend at both locations. Go to ArizonaCharlies.com to see who's playing. And there's lots of construction projects going on in Las Vegas, but this one will be used to help families when they need it most. Ronald McDonald House Charities offered a tour of its second facility in the Las Vegas Valley, which will house families of critically ill children as they receive treatment.
Many of these families, they lose their home, they lose their jobs back home, they lose their cars, they lose their lives as they knew it. This project represents a fresh start for these families.
The facility is located on O'Bannon Drive near Edmond Street and will be opening in June. And famed U.S. rock band The Eagles look to embark on their farewell tour called A Long Goodbye. The legendary American rock band will play at the Sphere for 10 weekends between September and December. The band will play fan favorites such as Hotel California and Take It Easy. Thanks for watching 7 at 7, and don't forget to subscribe to the Review Journal's YouTube channel for more great content, including Las Vegas breaking news streaming live. We'll see you tonight for more 7 at 7.
Review Journal Studio, sponsored by Adam Kuttner. Get the maximum settlement as quickly as possible. This 7 at 7 update, sponsored by Pro Group Management. You're watching 7 at 7 from the Las Vegas Review Journal.